My name is Nancy Malo, and I live in Lansing, Michigan. And I am doing this video because I am very sick and tired of being bullied by mortgage companies and individuals who are debt collectors, mainly First Franklin Home Loan Services. I have my monthly statement here, and you probably can't see it, but my monthly mortgage is $1,514.14. They did me a favor and modified my loan back in May and lowered my payment $200. Didn't lower my interest rate and told me that I had an excess of $200. In June, from June until the end of September, I'm a state employee of the state of Michigan, and I had to take 6 furlough days, which cost me over $2,400 that I lost in income. I also had to buy a new furnace, and I'm filing bankruptcy, so I had to pay for the bankruptcy fee. I go to court next Thursday for my bankruptcy. I'm tired of being bullied, and I want something done, and I'm hoping to send a message to First Franklin Home Loan Services, who, by the way, are a debt collector. They took over my mortgage company when it fell through, and when you call them, they tell you they are a debt collector, and they don't have to comply with any laws or rules. And I'm sure that there are thousands of others out there that have a mortgage through First Franklin Home Loan Services. So, with this video, I'm hoping, again, to get people to listen, and maybe someone can help me. There's a possibility of I may have to take more furlough days. Our state can't even balance their own budget on time, yet I'm supposed to make sure that I make my payments, that I don't have enough money to make. I'm trying to make house payment, car payment. I have 2 grandchildren that I help take care of. I have a mother that I have to help take care of. And my husband is probably going to be getting laid off at the end of October. So, I don't know what the next step will be, but I'm hoping that this video will help. I want to show you a little bit of my home and where I'm standing regarding my finances. As you can see behind me, I have unfinished business here in my kitchen. I don't have the money to finish it. Got holes in the ceiling, need to finish the walls. I have 3 cupboards, and the floor isn't finished. And I can't finish it because of the amount of money I have to pay every single month. I want to show you the furnace that we had to purchase because the furnace that was here was over 30 years old and it quit on us, and we knew somebody that helped us out to get the furnace and helped us get it in. It does meet code. It just isn't finished as far as being hooked up. We still have to pay the person to do the installation and to finish paying off the furnace. As you can see, we've got the pieces here to connect the heat ducts. We have to make one smaller. That leads into the kitchen and to the dining room. But it all takes money. Money that I do not have. This is my backyard. What you are seeing is the development of our deck, but we don't have the money to finish it. And the garage, obviously, we have to put siding on it, and we don't have the money to complete that either. In closing, I just want to say that I want to let First Franklin Home Loan Services know the reason for doing this video is because my house is not worth $138,000. That is what the loan is. My relief, I would like to be able to have an affordable payment. Like I stated before, I have children I have to help take care of. I have a mother I have to take care of. And I don't know what my outlook is going to be once the state settles their budget. We are all sitting on pins and needles. I'm thankful I have a job, but I don't make enough to make ends meet. I want to stay in my home. I've been here for over 22 years. And yes, part of it was my fault. I got caught up in the 2-year mortgage scam that was going around, and we couldn't seem to get out of the 2-year balloon payment. And then once everything crashed, then we were trying to scramble to try to save our home, hence getting the $1,500 a month house payment. So that's all I'm trying to do, is lower my interest rate, which is 9.625, and a house payment of over $1,500. So First Franklin Home Loan Services, if you are out there and you see this video, I am working with my U.S. Senator to help get some relief on this. And if I have to go higher, I will. And as a matter of fact, I did write a letter to President Obama. If we can bail out all these businesses, then we can bail out the Americans. Thank you.